Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, how are you and how are your family members? As you know, yesterday we have completed India, the land of festivals, and like this, the exercise of this lesson also has been completed. Dear students, today I would like to summarize this lesson in front of you. Brothers, as you know, India, the land of festivals. Many festivals are celebrated in India. Each festival brings us joy and fun. They bring the people of India together. There are two types of festivals, or there are two kinds of festivals in India. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are our national festivals. Diwali, Eid, Guru Parvs and Christmas etc. are our religious festivals. Dear students, first and foremost, I would like to tell you about the national festivals. Independence Day, it is celebrated on the 15th of August. On this day, India became independent from the foreign rule. The national flag is hoisting all over the country. The national anthem and other patriotic songs are also sung on this day. Republic Day, it is celebrated on 26th of January. Do you know why we are celebrating Republic Day? On this day, India adopted its constitution. Flag hoisting, national anthem, parades and other colorful cultural programs are also held on this day. Gandhi Jayanti, Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October. He followed the path of law and non-violence. He fought for our country and he made the India free from the foreign rule. He is the father of our nation. Therefore, the people of India call him Bapu. Brothers, these were our national festivals. After these festivals, I am going to summarize the religious festivals in front of you. Diwali is the festival of lights our Hindu brothers and sisters are celebrating this festival in the memory of Ramchandra ji. On the occasion of this festival, they clean and decorate their houses and light up their houses with diyas, candles and bulbs. They visit each other and embrace each other on this day, and they feed the poor on the occasion of this festival. Eid, after fasting a month, Muslims celebrate Eid. On this day, Muslims wear new clothes and they go to the Eidgah and mosque and pray Allah the Almighty together and say and embrace each other and say Eid Mubarak. On this day, Muslims prepare many kinds of dishes such as semai and other kinds of dishes. They feed the poor and Muslims give and help the other person. Guru Parbs, it is the birthdays of the Sikh Gurus. On this day, Sikh brothers and sisters go to Gurdwara and they celebrate this festival in the memory of their Gurus. They also clean their houses and decorate and light up lights in their houses. Christmas, Jesus Christ on 25th of December. Jesus Christ was born on 25th of December. Christians are celebrating this day as Christmas. On this day, Christians clean their houses and they decorate Christmas tree. Brother and dear students, these were our national and religious festivals. These festivals bring us joy and fun. Each and every person of Sikhs, Muslims, Hindus together in these festivals and they enjoy. These festivals unite us and give us joy and fun. Dear students, this was the summary of this lesson. Now here, I would like to conclude my talk. See you again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.